Hey guys, the Glitch Method King is back with another video, but this time we'll be doing Snapchat ads. I know TikTok ads, you've been doing it for a long time. I'm scaling pretty well with it at the moment, but I tried to make a glitch method for Snapchat ads, and I'll show you exactly how I consistently get to 3K a day with Snapchat ads as a bonus on the side of my TikTok ads, which I currently run as well. But people don't realize how underrated Snapchat ads actually is. And yeah guys, you'll get way more lower CPCs, cost per clicks, even lower than TikTok ads, and my ROAS numbers are even way higher than my TikTok ads managers. But in this video I'll be showing you how I do it exactly, and yeah, you can consistently get high to 2-3Ks a day with this method. I'll be following you through step by step how to sell the campaign, so enjoy, copy it, and use it for your dropshipping stores. But yeah, let's get to it. What are the current results I was able to get with the Snapchat ads glitch method? And yeah, this is one of my stores I was able to run with it, and it was getting me around 11K a week. Crazy results. Hopefully you can do the same. But yeah, just to give you some inspiration, let's go to the ads manager right now and set up the ads. On my Snapchat ads manager, you can sign up very easily on Google. But yeah, the first thing you got to do is obviously create your pixel, and all you have to do is go to manage ads and go to pixels, and you can create a new pixel. I don't need to go through, it's very easy. Once the new pixel is created, all you got to do is press create campaign. And firstly, what you have to do is press website conversions. Yeah, just allow this, don't have to do anything about that, and call the campaign name whatever you want, scaling campaign, which I'm going to be currently doing. And then after this, all you have to do is pretty much date it the next day, but 6 a.m. so remember guys, next day 6 a.m. so 10th. I'm going to be targeting UK. If you guys are targeting America, it's going to be 6 a.m. your time, but I'm be targeting UK, so it'll be 6 a.m. my time. Remember guys, I always target from 6 a.m. because of people waking up then. They're more likely to buy. I've tested out many times before, but 6 a.m. works much better than other times that I've tested out. So yeah, 6 a.m. the glitch method will work much better with this. But yeah, once that is done, you just press next, and let's go to the next page. Connect to your pixel that you have just created. That's what's going to show here. £50 CPO, 6 a.m. Now a lot of people say, do you want to do max bid or target cost? Just do the auto bid. That's what works best for me. Just keep it like that. And once that is done, target one country that you are precisely targeting for your dropshipping stores. So if you're in the UK, target UK. If you're in the US, target US. So right now I'm in the UK, target that, which is perfect. Now ages. Now with the glitch method, I've tested out a lot of ages, and what I've found is always do 18 plus. You know, you want people to have credit cards when you're trying to promote it. You want people to target to an audience that have the ability to buy your product. Once that is done, in language, or you can always do English, or just leave it alone. You don't need to do anything about that. Audiences, predefined audiences, this is where it gets a bit more interesting with the method. I want you guys just to pick one of these interests that is related to your product. In this, you can't just broadly target. It doesn't work as well. On TikTok ads you can use broad targeting, it does pretty well, but for the Snapchat ads you have to use an interest. And obviously if I'm selling a phone case or a tech product, I would pick something tech related. And so for now I'll just choose one which is related to my tech product. Yeah, so techies and gadget fans. Over here, over show and estimate the kind of reach it's able to do, and then that's perfect. And target audience size 2 to 16 million. That's the kind of range you're trying to look for. I always go for anything 20 million or lower. If it's a bit higher than that, you gotta pick a better niche, because it just gets a bit too broad. So for now, just click one interest is related to your product. Once that is done, just press next, and boom, you're able to go to the next page. Now this is where it gets a bit different. Obviously on TikTok ads you can just put 5 loads of videos on, but for here you have to just pick one of your best TikTok creatives for your product, and you can just paste it over here, upload, and you're able to have the product video that's gonna, you have to pretty much use one of your best videos, the highest engagement, highest CTR. You know, if you're putting a rubbish video on, the glitch method is not gonna work and not gonna be able to get really good ROAS numbers. So yeah, just upload the video, brand name, just put the brand name that you pretty much use for your product, and headline, just pretty much show what the product is. If you're selling a phone case, just put phone case here, and you know, and talk about a deal after that, 50% off. And pretty much that does not matter. I don't, you know, think too much about these stuff. The main thing is the video. If a video is good enough, it's gonna do well. Call to action, you have to do buy now or shop now, anything related to that, or even order now if it works best. A lot of people, you know, they don't focus on this stuff, but yeah, it is very important. You want people to know what they're actually buying, and then put your URL in, and that's it, guys. So one video, publish, and then that's it. That's your first campaign done. This is the first part of the glitch methods. So review and publish. Now let's go to the next step. Let it run one day. That's what you got to do, guys. Let it run for one single day. Now if you're getting good sales and it's profitable, that's a very good sign that the ad is actually doing well. Once you have gone past the phase but you're actually becoming profitable in the first day, after that £50 spent, this is where it gets interesting. So what you have to do is the campaign that's obviously doing well, you know, if you can save, is this one, okay, and you get like probably 5 to 6 sales minimum. Now the next day you just keep it running, but this time you clone it. And how many times you clone it? Clone it 4 times. That's all you gotta do, guys. Clone it 4 times. That's all I did, okay? And pretty much you're able to have, you know, 5 campaigns running with a £50 CBO. I know a lot of people tell me, you know, why don't I duplicate 10 times or 20 times? The problem is I've tried it out, okay, and the problem with that is your performance drops. Snapchat ads, the thing is you're able to spend less money but get a higher return. So I usually spend a few $100s a day and it gets me like 8 to 10 ROAS numbers. But once you start putting a lot more budget in, it just gets the performance drop. So with Snapchat ads, there are disadvantages, but use it, you know, to spend a few $100s, which I showed you right now. Have a $50 CBO and duplicate it, you know, have a 5 times that. So around $250 to $300, you know, budgets a day for Snapchat ads. I have this on the side of all my TikTok, you know, drop shipping products I run, and it gives me a lot of bonuses. And for example, if I spend $250 a day on ads, it gets me back an 8 to 10 ROAS number, and it's insane. People don't realize your return is much higher, but the ad spend is much lower. TikTok ads, you're able to spend much more on ad spend. Obviously you get much more back, but, you know, with this you get much higher ROAS numbers. TikTok ads, the ROAS numbers around 3 to 5, as you guys may know, but you can pretty much use the advantage of this as on the side as a bonus. So there, guys, follow this. What you guys gotta do, have a campaign, one interest is related to you. If for example the campaign doesn't work well, change the interest to something else, and again do the same method again. If it works the next day and is making some sales, duplicate the ad set 4 times, so you have five campaigns, and boom, you're able to do the same thing, and it just does way crazy numbers that I usually do. But yeah, that's the glitch methods one part. I have a few other glitch methods for this, but this is one of the parts. In the next video I'll be going through the next parts. But yeah, hopefully guys you loved the video. If you need any more stuff on what other marketing methods you want me to focus on, to comment below. But yeah, peace out, guys.